In emergency situations, every second matters. Whether you're stranded in your car at night, trapped inside after an accident, or in need of immediate help, the right tools can make all the difference. That's where React powered by ChargeHub comes in. This revolutionary 7-in-1 emergency tool is designed to give you peace of mind by providing essential tools in a compact, portable device that easily fits into your car.
With React, you don't just get a car charger, you get a seatbelt cutter, a window breaker, a power bank, a flashlight, and more, all in one convenient device. In just 15 minutes of use per day, React can save you from life-threatening situations, help you stay connected, and provide tools for emergency self-rescue. Let's explore why React is the emergency tool you'll want to have in your car at all times.
What is React powered by ChargeHub? React is a 7-in-1 emergency tool designed to keep you and your family safe in times of need. Unlike other gadgets that promise to provide only one service, React combines 7 essential emergency tools into a single, easy-to-use device. It's engineered for those who want to be prepared without carrying bulky equipment or relying on professional help in life-threatening situations. The 7-in-1 features of React include seatbelt cutter, window breaker, USB charger, portable power bank, LED flashlight, SOS beacon, safety siren. With React, you have access to essential tools that can make all the difference when you need them most. Whether you're stuck on the side of the road in an emergency inside your car, or just need some extra power to keep your phone running, React is there to help. How does React work? React is designed to be a simple yet highly effective tool in emergency situations. Here's how it works. Seatbelt cutter. When your seatbelt gets jammed after an accident, the last thing you need is to waste time struggling to get out. React's razor-sharp seatbelt cutter ensures you can quickly free yourself and others from your seatbelt without any hassle or stress. Window breaker. If the doors or windows are jammed, React's steel-tip window breaker is ready to shatter any standard vehicle window, non-bulletproof. React makes it easy to escape the car quickly and safely. USB charger and power bank. React also functions as a fast-charging USB port, keeping your devices powered up when you need them most. Plus, with its 2,200 mAh portable power bank, React ensures your phone is fully charged even when your car is out of power. LED flashlight. React is equipped with an ultra-bright LED flashlight that will illuminate your surroundings in the dark. Whether you're trapped inside your vehicle or need to find something in your car, the flashlight feature provides the visibility you need. SOS beacon. In case of an emergency, React's strobing SOS beacon provides a visible signal that can help emergency responders locate you more easily. Safety siren. If you're in a dangerous situation and need immediate attention, React's loud, long-range safety siren will alert others to your presence. Each feature is powered by React's integrated rechargeable battery, making it a versatile tool that doesn't need an external power source to function. This ensures that even if your car loses power, React can still assist you. Features and benefits of React powered by ChargeHub. React is more than just an emergency tool. It's a reliable, multifunctional device that combines the best of convenience, technology, and safety. Let's break down some of the standout features and benefits of this revolutionary product. 7-in-1 emergency tool. React combines 7 essential features into one device, ensuring you have all the tools you need in a single portable gadget. Compact and portable design. React is designed to be lightweight and easy to store. It plugs directly into your car's 12-volt cigarette lighter port, so it's always within reach. Long-lasting battery. React has a 2,200 mAh battery, providing up to 10 hours of phone charging and 4+ hours of continuous use with its flashlight and SOS beacon. This ensures you'll have power for all of its features when you need them. Multiple emergency tools in one device. The combination of seatbelt cutter, window breaker, LED flashlight, SOS beacon, and safety siren ensures that you have everything you need to handle emergencies safely and efficiently. No power required for key functions. React doesn't need to be plugged into a power source to function. The seatbelt cutter and window breaker can be used at any time, even if the power bank is empty. Easy to use. With its simple button interface and intuitive design, React is easy for anyone to operate, regardless of technical experience. No complicated setup or instructions are needed. Affordable and convenient, React offers a cost-effective alternative to costly emergency gear. Plus, it saves you the hassle of dealing with multiple devices by combining them all in one handy tool. Durable and reliable. Built to last, React is rigorously tested to ensure it performs reliably when you need it most. Its steel-tip window breaker is designed for durability, and the device is certified for safety by experts. How to use React powered by ChargeHub. Using React is as simple as 1, 2, 3. Plug it in, Insert the React tool into your car's 12V cigarette lighter port, where it stays within easy reach, ready for emergency use. Charge your devices. If you need to charge your phone, simply connect your device to the USB charger port for fast, efficient power. React's Center Direct's 2200 milliamp power bank ensures you have the juice you need when you're on the go.
Use the emergency features.
In case of an emergency, use the seatbelt cutter and window breaker to quickly escape the car. If you need to alert others, turn on the SOS beacon or the safety siren. React pros and cons. As with any product, React has its pros and cons. Here's a quick overview. Pros. 7-in-1 emergency tool. Combines multiple features in one device. Affordable, a cost-effective solution to emergency preparedness. Portable and compact, easy to store, and always within reach. Fast charging, charge your devices quickly while on the go. Durable and reliable, built to last and withstand emergencies. Easy to use, no technical expertise required. Cons. Size limitations, some may find it a bit bulky for their preference, but it's still compact enough to store in your glove box or console. Requires a 12-volt port. It can only be used in cars with a standard 12-volt cigarette lighter port. Price and where to buy React powered by ChargeHub. React is available for purchase directly from the official website, offering great deals and discounts. Here are the pricing options. One React, $49.99. Buy two, get one free, $9.98. Buy three, get two free, $149.97, retail $24.95. Best deal, buy five, get five free, $24.95 $2.99. Each purchase comes with free shipping, a 1-year warranty, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. React is only available through the official website, ensuring you get the best price and support. Conclusion. React powered by ChargeHub is a must-have device for anyone looking to be prepared in case of an emergency. It's a 7-in-1 tool that combines essential emergency features with everyday functionality, making it a reliable companion in your vehicle. Whether you need to escape from a jammed seatbelt or keep your phone charged, React has you covered. With React, you no longer need to worry about getting stuck without help. Its affordable price, compact design, and easy-to-use features ensure that you're always prepared for the unexpected. Invest in your safety today with React powered by ChargeHub, the emergency tool that could save your life.